Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix your Commerzbank account locked on mobile app. First, wait for some time. Accounts often unlock automatically after a short period. Then, click on Forgot Credentials and then tap on Password or PIN. Then, follow the steps to reset it. Then, you're going to log in using your new PIN. After that, make sure your Commerzbank is updated. Go to the App Store, search for the Commerzbank app, and update it. Sometimes issues like your app not loading or your app locked happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes to update it. If it's still locked, contact the Commerzbank support for help. Avoid entering the wrong PIN multiple times. That's how to fix the Commerzbank account locked issues. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.